Alright, today we're going to take a look at some light bulbs. Alright, these are actually 60 watts. Alright, they could run up to 20,000 hours. Alright, and they're dimmable. CCT is about 27K. They're going to give you the light that you require and the dimmable. So if you guys can see, these are all real glass. Alright, these are perfect for any kind of ambiance that you want to get, or you want to set up on your lights. So we're going to set these up today and see how bright they get and see how they look. All right, so right now, if you guys can see, there's about 4 strips of LED lights, and we're going to set these up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, first light bulb going on. So you guys are looking for a beautiful light, LED light. This is it. So the light bulb is dimmable up to 5,000K. Starts from 2,700.